Hello, this is my published Shiny app, which is basically a retirement withdrawal simulator. And so we have these 9 different input values right here: the initial portfolio, retirement age, withdrawal rate, average annual rate of return, average return volatility, average inflation rate, average inflation volatility, number of simulations, and random seed. And so basically all 9 of these inputs are used to account for these different values that you see in this timeline and within our statistics table. So basically, you can manipulate the different values or like customize the different values for your inputs. For instance, the initial portfolio default is set at 1 million. You can also change that to 100,000 or 10,000, but we'll just keep it at the default of 1 million. And for these different rates right here, you can change the values of them by dragging this circle along the slider bar. So for instance, if we're changing it to 10.5%, this is what our graph would look like, but we will just keep it at a default value of 4%. So some limitations of this simulator is definitely the fact that it does only account for 9 different inputs. There are definitely more factors outside of these 9 right here that can influence the outcome of your retirement withdrawal. And so this simulator does not account for all the external factors that could influence a person or the result of what would happen. And so that is one limitation. Another limitation would definitely be the fact that my withdrawal rates and the other rates are capped at 0.5 or 50%. And so hypothetically, if we did want to have a withdrawal rate of something greater than 50%, the simulator would not be able to do that because the maximum value would be at 50%. And so the simulator is definitely a good representation of the important attributes that we thought were important within calculating the retirement withdrawal, but it definitely does not account for everything that could happen in a real life situation.